Today, we shall investigate the combining of two okay things to create something awesome. Think sour cream crisps combined with onion crisps to make the king of crisp flavours. You get my drift. So, we're going to combine the sound of steam trains, which we touched on in a previous video, with Radiohead, which we haven't touched on yet. So, steam train sounds. And Radiohead. To be honest, I thought it was going to sound better than that. Oh well. Anyway, tomorrow, the poems of Sylvia Plath and Led Zeppelin 2.